Okay, so how to make your PDF non-shareable? In case of HelpRange, this is very easy. You just upload your PDF and you get the link to this PDF, and you can create as many links as you want for this PDF. And for each and every link, you can set access permissions, where you can disallow download and printing, enable watermarking, enable screenshot protection, screenshot mask, and of course you can also disallow forwarding, so that people can only the first user who opens the link can use it again. There are other options for protection. So basically, HelpRange gives you a lot of options for protection of your PDF. So this PDF as a link which can be displayed inside HelpRange viewer becomes non-shareable. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.